Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next module number MECH underscore P underscore 043 underscore Raymond Survey John Jute. Statement: the North American and European plates of the Earth's crust are drifting apart with a relative speed of about 25 millimeter per year. Take the speed as constant and find when the rift between them started to open to reach a current width of 2.9 into 10 raised to the power 3 mile. Okay. Now we move on to next slide to see its solution. Solution. We know from table of conversion factors that 1 mile is equal to 1609 meters, which is alternatively equal to 1.609 kilometer. Okay, 1 mile is equal to 1609 meters or 1.609 kilometer. And we also know that 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Okay, now given data is here, D is equal to 2.9 into 10 raised to the power 3 mile, while speed V is equal to 25 millimeter per year. Okay. So as per given data, D and speed V are given. Now we move on to next slide to see remaining part of this problem. Okay, now we know that D is equal to V into delta T. This implies that from here delta T will become equal to D over V. In the next step, we will put values of D and V, which are 2.9 into 10 raised to the power 3 mile over, in place of speed V, we will put 25 millimeter per year. In the next step, dear students, here will be shifted to denominator. Okay, because here we will treat this D over V as 2.9 into 10 raised to the power 3 mile divided by 1. Okay, these two terms will be in the numerator and remaining two terms are in the denominator, 25 millimeter over year. And in the next step, these four terms will be treated as in this way that two terms in the denominator will be reversed and will be multiplied with the two terms in the denominator. Okay, that is why D over V equal to 2.910 raised to the power 3 mile over 22 millimeter over year has become alternatively equal to 2.9 into 10 raised to the power 3 mile into year divided by 25 millimeter. Okay, now in the next step, we will convert mile into meter. Okay, because we know that 1 mile is equal to 1609 meter. So this factor will alternatively become equal to 2.9 into 10 raised to the power 3 into 1609 meter into year divided by 25 millimeter. Okay. In the next step, we will either convert 1609 meter into millimeter or 25 millimeter into meter. Okay, so that both will become in same units and their units will be cancelled out. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to convert 1609 meter into millimeter. Okay, so this will alternatively become equal to 2.9 into 10 raised to the power 3 into 1609 into 1000 millimeter into here divided by 25 millimeter. Now dear students, millimeter will be cancelled out will be with millimeter and our answer will become in simply years. Okay, because except years there is no other unit in this factor. Okay, so this will alternatively become equal to 186644000 years, which can be alternatively written as 1.9 into 10 raised to the power 8 years. And this is the answer of our question or solution of our problem. And this is the end of our module. Okay.